sana wag mag-focus sa flood control. Kasi, etong si Nasoto, parang holier than thou. Bakit hindi nila tignan yung biglang lumobong presyo ng new Senate building sa BGC under the leadership of Tito Soto? But ayaw nilang tingnan yung 10.9 billion project ng City Hall under Vico Soto. They're painting themselves as saints here. Tignan natin, ano ba yung nangyari doon sa building doon? Sa yung bagong City Hall, yung may ginibang parking lot. Exempted ba yon sa inquiry on corruption dahil pamangkin ng Senate President? So, all of these things have to be taken into account kung gaano kaseryoso. Ang Senate, kung ayaw nilang bigyan ng immunity, ay alam na natin, they're protecting people, they're preventing people from giving good and true information. Si Remulla ay binraso pa nilang maging ombudsman. You can really say with definiteness na yung sinasabi lang hindi umaandar ang justice system dito sa Pilipinas, baka magkatotoo na po talaga with that kind of ombudsman. So